Man, I could use a screen recorder, but I don't know when this is gonna sell out quick. But I just ordered a pair of Yeezys right on the Adidas website. So this is the Adidas site. I ordered a new Yeezys Boost, 350 version 2 triple white. I just ordered those, but I was looking on YouTube and looking online. People don't know if they should order it on the YeezySupply.com store or Adidas.com. I just ordered mine on Adidas.com, but I'm getting ready to order another pair of Yeezys, right? Just to do a little size comparison and see which one will come quicker. Yeah, I think this is a good comparison. Check out. One thing I like about the Yeezy Supply store, there's no taxes whatsoever, and you get free shipping. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, guys, I live in New York, so we're gonna have to see how the shipping time is gonna be. It's all about the experience, the shipping time, the delivery time, all of that stuff matters, and I'll let you guys know. I'll update you guys as soon as possible. So guys, quick little update real quick. Adidas actually shipped the order. I will scroll all the way up, but I don't want to show you guys my order number. So right away, that's a huge L on the Yeezy Supply store. It's just that if you want the Yeezy so bad, you gotta go to Adidas.com, pay the extra taxes, and you'll be alright. Hey guys, so it's been officially 1 week since I ordered the Yeezys, and it is finally here. It's outside. It arrived nice and early. The weird thing is, this was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but it was delayed until today, obviously. And it's coming from South Carolina, so you know the Carolinas got hit hard with the hurricane that just passed. So I kind of understand that. And you know what's crazy? Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Oh, duh, I thought I had to sneeze. It didn't come out. These Yeezys are still available. It's not available on the Adidas website, but it's available on YeezySupply.com. But this goes for any Yeezys. Most likely Yeezys are going to drop on Adidas.com and on the Yeezy Supply. It's amazing how these are still available, and that means everybody's going to have these now. So, hey, it is what it is. I respect Kanye for making enough of these. Whoever wants Yeezys, this is like a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. I actually like this site though. This site is very, very simple. I mean, it's just all white with some text. Oh, I'm wearing these shades on. Well, I could take them off, but I like the shades on so you guys know where I'm looking at. Like my eyeball could be up here and you guys don't know. So I like the shades. I like the shades. But let me know down in the comments. Start wearing shades on my videos. The thing is, they all white. I'm not really a fan of all white sneakers. A quick little story behind that as we wait for these Yeezys to ship in like 4 weeks. Nah, it's not gonna be a long story. You know, I went to gym, right? I had karate class, right? I was going to college, summer classes, whatever. And I used to wear these, right? I used to wear these. I used to wear these too as well, right? These are very, very comfortable too. And I also used to wear these. And the chick next to me, right? We had partners, you know, karate. I had like a female partner. I think she was an Indian joint too. She was pretty cool. But she used to always tell me like, wow, your sneakers are always clean. Like, holy shit. But me, I never really like to wear white sneakers during the winter time or fall time. Oh, and by the way, these Yeezys are probably coming from LA or Los Angeles. So you guys have dry weather all season long. Here and there, you might even get some rain. But here in New York, we get tricky weather. Winter, snowy, rainy, windy. So wearing white sneakers in those kind of seasons is never a good idea. Yeah, I just take good care of my sneakers, especially if they're white. Black sneakers, you know, black don't crack, you know, black don't crack, and yeah, they hard to get dirty. So ladies and gents, the time is now. The Yeezy Supply is finally here. Same exact presentation. You know, one thing with this one, the Adidas box said do not use a sharp instrument. The Yeezy Supply one didn't say anything. And look, I cut open with a box and now look, it ruined the box a little bit. So yeah, just keep that in mind. That's one thing I noticed right away. Hope I didn't damage the sneaker. Got that fresh sneaker smell. Exactly the same. It's the same exact sneaker. This time I got a size 9.5 instead of the 8.5 because I heard Yeezys run a little small. So I didn't know how small, and I just wanted to see. But really, I wanted to make this video for you guys, see which one arrived quicker. And as you guys can see, the Adidas arrived first, and then it was the Yeezy Supply. The box is exactly the same. The Yeezys are sold out right now, so you cannot buy them right now unless you buy it through a third-party seller such as eBay. But really, this is a good video to add to your favorites just in case if it's Yeezy season again, if there's some new Yeezys out. I thought it'd include some stickers or something. I don't know, a little bonus. But same exact everything. But I would say the shopping experience on Yeezy Supply Definitely good. I mean, they got the size right. Everything's exactly the same. No problems. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new around here for more videos. I make all kinds of videos. Just check out the channel. Thumbs up. It really does help me out a bunch. And comment down below what you guys think. Other than that, your boy Pops. Follow me on Twitter. And I'm signing out. Peace.